Hey everybody, my name is Lauren. I'm with Sweats in the City, and today we are going to be talking about how to maximize the use of your blog post. Hey everybody, I'm watching the replay on my phone and I can hear myself, and so I need to turn that off. So if you're blogging or if you're not blogging, today I'm going to go through what to do with your blog after you've created it. And if you're not blogging, you should start blogging soon, and I am going to tell you why. So I've made a little slideshow today, so I'm going to bring you over into that, and we will go through it. All right, so you have your weekly blog post that you put on your website. And I like to do a video because I don't like writing a lot. With the video though, I always transcribe the main points of what I make in the video. And from there, you can send that content out with your video or just the transcribed stuff out to your email newsletter. So if you have an email newsletter, you want to be emailing them almost weekly with really high valuable content. And so your blog, which is going to be really high valuable content, will be sent out to your email newsletter. You'll also post it onto YouTube. And the reason why you want to put content on your blog and on YouTube versus just on Instagram and Facebook is because it lives there forever and it's searchable. So if you post some really good content on Instagram, it's up to the Instagram algorithm if people actually see it or not. And then if they search something about it, it would never come up in Google on Instagram. However, if you put the same content onto your blog or onto your website and on YouTube, then if people search that content, the likeliness of your information coming up will be much higher. And then from there, we can use your blog post content to create mini content pieces for Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. So depending on what you use, you can create content for that. I would only use a couple, maybe pick 2 if you're just starting out so that you can remain regular. It also depends on who your audience is that is going to create, like where you're going to create content for. So over there. Okay. And from there, your Instagram, so you're going to be creating little mini pieces for these social media platforms in hopes that people will drive traffic back to your blog. Because you always want to drive people to your webpage or drive them to a landing page so they can sign up for your freebie and then onto your email newsletter. And so this I just did quickly because it was all up in my head. I'm like, okay, blog post, send it out to email newsletter, make sure it's good on YouTube, have your YouTube also connected to your freebie. The blog post should be connected to your freebie, and then use your blog post content and create mini content pieces for Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, which are all going to drive traffic back to your blog in hopes they sign up for your awesome, why wouldn't they sign up for a freebie? And then from there, get them subscribed to your email newsletter list. So the whole point of this is to get people onto your email newsletter list. And I talk about this in other videos, the importance of it. On your email newsletter list is where you make sales, generally. And you can control the content that people see. So you can build them up if you're doing a launch or a promo, versus everything else here is totally subjective to algorithms. If they go on the internet, if they search your stuff, if they go on your website. So this is what I do with my weekly blog post, and I wanted to share it with you today. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. And I will see you next week for another bit of live content. Thanks, guys.